This is the screen support bracket that broke on my BMW. I was curious to see how this ball joint works. It looks as if it's assembled from this side and pushed in this side, but there's a plastic spherical ball inside some kind of plastic part here, which feels quite hard. Just see if I can knock it out. See if it moves. Which it does. So yeah, just the solid moulding. But this looks to be a hard outer, or relatively hard outer. This black. It's got some resilience to it. And then a stiff, probably nylon inner. So I think that would just push out if I pushed hard enough. Give that a try. See if it'll start to move anyway. Yeah, it is. I can feel it moving. In fact, it's cracked there now. Distinct crack. Yeah, there you go, yeah. So I've actually broken it. I wonder if that's because it's degraded with age or whether it just wasn't put together that way. Difficult to see how else it could be put together. So yeah, there's the ball. Some sort of witness lines across there. I guess that's just where it's perpetually sitting in the bike, because the adjustment is only made every few weeks or months, I guess. The rest of the time it's just sitting in one place and maybe generates these lines. So that feels pretty hard. This piece, again, it's hard, but not as hard. Could be some markings on there, if there are some markings on there. Yeah, I think it, although it's cracked as I've tried to take it out, I think the only way that can possibly be assembled is just to push it in. So maybe when it's new, there's enough give in it to allow that ball to be pushed in. Notice on this side this side is kind of solid. On this side there's a ridge around the circumference. I don't know whether that's significant. This is a homogeneous material, as far as I can tell. I'm going to try and break this just to get a better look inside. Yeah, that is just a homogeneous moulding. I thought with this ridge in this side, maybe that there was a elastomer lip somehow moulded onto it, but that's not the case. It is just a homogeneous part. So yeah, I think this must have a bit of lubricant on it perhaps, and then it's just pushed in. And when it's freshly moulded, it can tolerate that without breaking. So I think it's just broken this time, maybe because I hit it with a hammer, but also with age it's probably hardened up a bit. Anyway, yeah, quite a clever setup. Although I'm surprised in a way that they design it design the whole assembly in such a way that it needs a ball joint there. You think there'd be some other way of doing it, but still, I'm sure BMW engineers know what they're doing. It's marked PA6 GF30, so it's polyamide, in other words nylon 6 with glass reinforcement. So yeah, nicely properly engineered part.